All right, here we have number 3. Number 3 says for us to solve the following system of the inequality graphically, let's state the coordinate of the point which is in the solution set, and remember the shade. The reason why we need a shade is because these are all inequalities. All right, let's do the first one. I'm gonna make the top one blue. Okay, this is gonna be my blue equation, right? So this one is the solid line. Do you see it's -1? It's right here. It is the, no, it's the solid line right here. Let's go down. So that is our blue line right there. Okay, now we want to test the point. We always test the point 0, 0. 0 for the x and 0 for the y. So here, let's plug it in. 0 for the y is greater than is -0 minus 1. Let's see if that is true. Is 0 greater than -1? We say that this is true. 0 is greater than -1, so we shade towards the point 0, 0. Okay, so that means, do you see how this is going towards the 0, 0? Because this is on the 0, 0 side. Okay, then let's do the bottom one, which is red. Right, so you plug in 0 for the y. So here's 0 for the y, greater than 2, parentheses 0 minus 4. 0 is greater than -4. Let's see if that is true. Is 0 greater than -4? We say this is true. So since it is true, we are going to shade towards. This is the dashed line here. And going towards it would be to the left of it, because this is going towards the point of 0, 0. This region where they intersect is the solution. So I can pick any point here. I'm going to pick this point right here, which is going to be -10, 0. This solution is in the solution set. Okay, any point here in that intersection region would be a valid solution in that solution set. All right, so let's do B. This is blue. Let's see. Here it's +5. It's up here. It's this one, which is a +5. Let's test the point 0, 0. 0 less than -1/5 is 0 plus 5. 0 times anything is just 0. So is 0 less than 5? This is true. So we're going to shade towards 0, 0. Here you go. This is towards 0, 0. Now let's plug in 0 for the bottom one. 0 for the y is less than 2 times 0 minus 6. Is 0 less than -6? This is a false. 0 is not less than -6, so we're going to shade away. This is this line, which is that dash, and away from 0, 0 would be going to the right direction. That is all away. We can pick any point that is in the solution set, so we can pick this point right here. That point is probably like a 10, 0, right? Like this one. You see how the -10, 0 was in the solution set? Here, it's this one that was in the intersection area, 10, 0. Or you can say like 9, 0, or 8, -1. Anything in that intersection area would be a valid solution in that solution set. And then let's do C. Okay, the top one I'm going to make blue. It's the one with -6, so it's this one right here. Right? Okay, let's plug in 0, 0. Let's test it. Y is less than 3/2 times 0 minus 6 is 0 less than -6. This is false. Since it is false, we are going to shade away. And away is in this direction. Okay, that is away from 0, 0. Then the bottom one, do you see the 4? Let's red right here, 4. Let's test 0, 0. 0 for the y, 0 for the x. 0 less than 4. Is that true or false? That is 0 less than 4? That is true. So we're going to shade towards. Towards, it is this direction. So it is this area. So something right here, let's see. That looks like the 0.5 comma negative 5 is also in that solution set. All right, so there you go, class. That is how you find the solution for the system of inequalities and determine the points within that solution set.